What's up, guys? It's your girl Di, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a French tip nail with all acrylic. And I'm going to do two different ways, and I'm going to just show you guys two different ways. When you're doing this smile line technique, you want to work with your bead on a more dry side, not a dry bead, but you just don't want it to be runny. You want it to pretty much be placed down and not move much, but you want to be able to shape it into your desired smile line look. When you go in with your cuticle bead, you want to make sure that you keep the shape that you already, have. So just make sure you're not using too much acrylic. Also, so you can see how I'm kind of like turning the nail with this specific look that I'm doing. I really don't go in with clear. I just build this up how I need it as far as at the apex area. And then I add my white and I build that up also. After you've built the smile line part to your desired thickness, you want to make sure that you let that nail dry so that on the next step, after it's set all the way, you can just go in with your hand file and crisp up the actual smile line to your desired look. I'm going to be using this little tool to do my smile line for the second nail, just to show you that you don't have to shape it yourself. You can use something like this, but you want to kind of make sure you know which one you want to use before you go in, because there are different sizes, and that's what I was just showing you in the previous clip. For this nail, I'm going to pretty much do the same method that I did for the first nail, but instead of doing all the pulling and shaping that I did for the last one, I'm just going to get my bead down. And I mean, you can put it over the whole nail, or you can do it how I'm doing it and just put it up there where you know you're going to need it, and then do it. And I only did it that way just because there's no point to waste a whole bunch of acrylic that I know I'm going to take off the nail. So keep that in mind when doing things like this, when you're doing cuts with acrylic and stuff. And then I'm going to just build it up as much as I can to my desired thickness, because I'm not going to be going in with clear. And when I have the thickness that I like for the smile line, I'll go in with the actual tool, place it down, and just kind of pull it down to get the excess acrylic off that I don't want. And I kind of went in again and did it because I really wasn't satisfied with the size. But I'm guessing with this tool, that's, the smile line that you're going to achieve. Okay, so I've let this nail sit for some minutes and set all the way. And now I'm just taking my hand file, going in, shaping the smile line to my liking. And after that, you just, wipe off the nail and go right in with your white acrylic. And for this French tip design, I didn't want to go in with clear acrylic like I said. So you do see me continue to put the white on and just kind of build it up. And I go in with the white the same way I did on that nail, build it up to my desired thickness. And the only thing different that I did for this nail that I didn't do for that one is I forgot to file the smile line. And good thing, that I used that tool because it was pretty much, a clean cut. But you definitely want to remember to always file that. And I think that's why some people do use tools, because when they go in with the tool, they don't really have to worry about going back in filing because they know it's going to be pretty much a perfect cut. So, and when it comes to laying your white down on the nail, don't worry about getting the white onto the pink or whatever color you're using, because you do have to go in and foul it. The only way you would need to worry about getting that white onto the pink is if you were going in with clear acrylic to cap it, because you don't want to cap the white on top of the pink and stuff like that. So definitely keep that in mind. Now that the white has fully set, I'm just going to go in, shape up the nail to my desired liking. I like a real crisp shape. And then I'm going to go in with my E-file and just file away all the bumps and lumps, all the white on the pink, and just really get it to be a really crisp, clean looking nail. I would say the number one thing to remember when you're working with when you're doing French tip nails with acrylic, you want to make sure that you keep filing until you get a crisp look. If it's not crisp, then you need to go back in. And I'm going to do the same thing for this nail. And so after you're done doing the filing and shaping, just go in, dust your nail off, wipe it off with whatever you use to do that, and then you can top coat. And I think these turned out really gorgeous, and I just wanted to show you guys 2 different ways that you could do the French tip look. And most of the time when you see these type of looks on Instagram or anything like that, they did the all acrylic look. So if you got to the end of this video, I really appreciate you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below anything that you possibly want to see. Subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.